We're now going to introduce you to the third video, 3 of 4, little mini series. But anyway, this one shows you the timeline from when we first started looking and talking about taking a piece of land and developing it into vines, 600 plants. And this takes you through from when we first started to cleaning it up to all the steps that we had to do all the way up to
the first harvest.
The first harvest,
which is in 2025. That's
yeah.
The first one.
And we started talking.
And
we started talking about it in 2023.
Right.
You'll love it. Ciao. No?
Enjoy the video.
Yeah.
Episode 102 of Starting a Vineyard.
Again, 59 years in the making. Remember that. Watch it. Ciao. Are you on now?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
2, 3, 4, 5. Go.
600 plants of vines for over 3,000, 4,000 liters of wine to get drunk and stay drunk.
Yeah, exactly. In this little piece right here. Those are very good. Joan, you should take a taste, no? This is from your vineyard.
I know. They harvested without us.
What a bunch of characters.
Unbelievable.
I think we're going to disown Orazio. Look at that. My God.
I guess I'm supposed to do this now.
Next year we're going to do a lot.
Next year we export.
Good morning. This is the famous stir stick. You have to stir this 3 times a day. You can smell the aroma coming off of there already. Crazy, eh? Yeah.
Done?
Done.
Done, yeah.
Basta, oh, che hai visto? Inizia per quando è? Io 7 giorni uguali. Ma Sambuca vuole?
Sambuca. First vintage. 2025 Carricante. Peppy white.
Ancora
come si vede.
Io lo voglio assaggiare.
Ancora è giovane,
mio figlio.
ancora è giovane.
Giovane, mi piace.
Giovane.
Buona il risultato, visto? Perché c'è magari qualcosa che si fa la manava.
Great morning to start a vineyard. This area has been whacked down with a weed whacker. I think it was done yesterday, maybe the day before. Tony's little machine. It's a boat, yeah? And we're prepping the entrance here right now. It's time to check out the work that we've done today. Now we're going along here. We're going to take out all this fence and clean it up all the way along.
they've removed the fence and cleaned up this wall. And now they're starting to clean up the rest of the area, which is looking really good. Inspector Joan and Inspector Orazio. This is sort of the end of day 3. Well, Joni, another exciting day, eh?
Yes.
Maurizio, been reading up on those grapes.
Yep.
Very, very interesting. Andrea's here with the agronomist. Andrea? Sorry to interrupt you. What's the name of your agronomist?
Salvo Giuffrida.
Salvo?
Salvatore.
Salvatore.
One of the most famous agronomists in Sicily.
Ah.
No,
Joan?
Piacere, molto lieto.
Myra?
Piacere,
Harry.
molto lieto.
loro vengono dal Canada, sono degli imprenditori canadesi.
Ok.
E volevamo appunto capire un attimo come funzionava, perché siccome sono diventati amici
Quindi è questa cosa che Myra's Vineyard wine is always good, and a cup of wine. And
Yeah, fantastic.
it's
Gonna look fantastic.
Nice.
yeah, I love it.
So where are we gonna put it? On a post here?
Maybe we'll put 2 poles through the thing in the,
fantastic.
in the western.
Yeah, in the Western movies.
Yeah.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our 2 wine.
Well, Orazio,
We've been more famous than Martha's Vineyard.
yeah, that's true. You did a great job of putting these posts in.
Well, someone did for me.
Yes, okay.
All the work.
Yeah. I was director of work,
Who were those 2 fellows?
work director.
Those 2 fellows, who were they? From
The Greek gardener.
Oh,
Ellis.
oh, your gardener that does the
Ellis, yeah.
Ellis.
There were 2 guys.
ah.
Took 2 days and a half. Harry, you know what we have to do?
What's that?
Take a picture of one vine, and then we'll take a picture as it grow. Okay, like time lapse.
We are going to do a time lapse on that one where Joan has her foot. Yes, Myra. Pretty loud.
Okay, we came down, the Greek is plowing the vineyard today. So we are showing you the beginnings of the plowing. Beautiful, beautiful soil. Look at this soil. Beautiful clay, black clay soil.
Volcanic soil.
Full of volcanic ash.
Right.
Beautiful. Here's one of the vines. You see it around the corner?
I do, yeah. It looks beautiful, no?
Beautiful vine.
They're really starting to grow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And each one of these terraces has 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yeah.
And there's about 5 terraces. So,
Yeah.
So I'd say about 20 rows. And they're long rows.
Yeah, beautiful.
Beautiful.
think at 8 this morning. It's 11 now. Great job. It won't take long and then they're done. Look at them go. Holy. That's a lot of hard work. And right in the middle of the vineyard, we left an olive tree. First they weed whack it all down. And then the boys did a nice job, eh, Joan? Of cleaning it up nice. Wow. Really nice.
Well, it should be black, right?
Wow. A dark brown for sure.
Over top of a beautiful vineyard.
Yeah, and the ocean.
The ocean, the sea.
Yeah, the sea.
Ionian Sea,
Yes.
the Posto and Chiari
Yeah.
in the distance.
Perfecto, no?
Fantastic. How does it look?
You know, how can anything be any better than this? We've always wanted to start a vineyard, and here we are. Look at this place.
I know.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Nice olive tree in the middle. Wow. Isn't that something? And the vines are growing nicely. Wow. Amazing. Ciao.
E rame, metal.
Oh, the copper?
Copper.
Yes,
Sulfur, yeah, it's a green copper, yeah.
Yes.
It's a green,
Zolfo and rame.
Oh, sulfur and copper, I think.
same.
Same. Copper. Yeah, copper.
And that helps with the bugs. Stay tuned for the next video, episode 103, the fourth and final video of our series about starting a vineyard will be next, and it's all about how we had a 59-year-old dream and finally fulfilled it.
And how did we get started in 1967? It was a very good year, and we're going to show it to you.
Yeah, there's some oldies, goodies but oldies, oldies but goodies.
Wait,